Greetings everyone who is watching this video. I'm Dr. Firoz and I'm very happy to tell this is my first video. My first video is on electromagnet, how to make an electromagnet. In this video I will be showing you the preview. I'm going to explain the method of making this video, and today I will just tell you some basic things where electromagnet is used and where it is not used. So what is an electromagnet? This is the first question that before we will start our video of making that. So we will just answer this question. The answer to this question is that the electromagnet is a device which works with the help of electricity or electric current. Without that it does not work. And the difference between both, you may think what is electromagnet and difference between electromagnet and the ordinary permanent magnet. The difference in between these two magnets are many, but I'll just tell you one main difference is that electromagnet only works with electricity. The normal magnet, bar magnet, horse-shaped magnet, U-shaped magnet, it does not work with electricity. It is a permanent magnet. So let's begin our video.
By telling you that how to make.
So here you can see this is a preview of electromagnet. How does electromagnet work? I will show you how to make it. Don't worry. So first, this is the preview of the electromagnet. So here you can see. Before that, here you can see the electromagnet works like this. So let's begin our video. Now I will show you how to make an electromagnet. So the materials that are required, here you can see. In these materials you can even find at your home. Iron nail, as you can see. Make sure that iron nail does not refract any object or something. Okay. And this clipper wires, make sure that it's not broken. Scissors and this copper wire, make sure it is cut from both ends. It should not be tied and straight as we need it. So let's begin our video. So first take the iron nail and try to wind it around the nail, leaving a space of this much finger gap or your wish. Just leave a bit of space at the end and begin winding. So after some time you will see a winding. It will be like this. Yeah, make sure that there is no gap. Here you can see no gap. So here you can see there is no gap. Yeah, and you have to also wrap it, since if I leave it, it will like unwind. So you need to wrap it with the tape. So cut the tape and I will show you how to wrap. So here you can see I've wrapped the tape. Just make it sure the tape is tight, and please make sure there's no gap between. Okay. Now take the battery and the wires, and there's some iron metallic objects. So let's begin. So here you can see. You can see even the nut. It's attacking the nut. Yes, see. So I hope